It's actually easier to do number 8 if we don't use the picking numbers strategy. But I know I told you to identify which questions that you could technically use the picking number strategy. And technically you could use that strategy for number 8. But first I'm going to show you a lot easier way to do it. It's a lot easier to just multiply it out. So for problems like these, I like to group common things together like the numbers. So 2 and 3. So that'd be 2 times 3. And then so we're grouping the numbers, and then let's group like variables. X to the 4th times x to the 5th. X to the 4th times x to the 5th. And then the y's. Y is the same thing as y to the 1st. Then y to the 8th. And then let's multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. And then the rule for multiplying bases with the same bases with exponents is we keep the base, so x, and then we add the exponent. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Then y to the 1st times y to the 8th, so that would be y, and then we add 1 plus 8. It's 9. So it would be 6x to the 9th, y to the 9th. So that would be h. Now we could also do it using the picking number strategy, which I think for a problem like number 8, it's just more hassle than what it's worth, but I'll show you how to do it anyways. So for the picking number strategy, we would just pick numbers. So let's say for the variables, let's say x equals 2 and y equals 1. So this would be 2 times, and if x equals 2, that's 2 to the 4th times 1, because y equals 1. Then it would be 3x to the 5th, so that would be 3 times 2 to the 5th times 1 to the 8th. Which should also, 1 to any power is 1. So then we'll just take out the calculator here. I'll go 2 times 2 to the 4th. We don't really need to multiply it by 1 because it doesn't do anything, but I'll just do it anyway. And then next parentheses, let's see, times 3 times 2 to the 5th times 1 to the 8th. Again, 1 to the 8th is just 1, so and we get 3072. So 3072. Then we have to go through these answer choices to see which one matches 3072. Again, we have to plug in x equals 2 and y equals 1. You see how much more time consuming this is? That's why for a problem like number 8, it's just a lot easier to just multiply out the exponents. So let's say we didn't know it's h. I would still start in the middle because it looks like it's increasing. So we could start in the middle, and then if that's not the answer, we could go up and go down. We know it's h because we just did it the regular way. So this would just be 6 times 2 to the 9th times 1 to the 9th. We could just put that in our calculator. 6 times 2 to the 9th, which we don't even need to multiply by 1 to the 9th because that's just 1. So see, that's 3,782. So the right answer is H. Again, the assignment was which problems could you technically use the picking numbers and plugging in. You could do it that way, but again, it's a lot easier to just do it mathematically and multiply the exponents out. I'll see you in the next video.